Thrissur is the city in the South Indian state of Kerala. It is known for sacred sites and colorful festivals. Thrissur hosts the world famous Thrissur Puram festival in April May. This festival is the most colorful and spectacular temple festival in Kerala held at the Tekindikadu Maidan. It is a festival that continues non-stop for 36 hours with over 100 elephants accompanied by the Panchavadyam playing till the final fireworks marks the end of the festival. Kerala is one of the most beautiful states in India, mainly because of its location. Kerala is situated in the southern part of India with a magnificent geography. The west and the south occupied by the beautiful Arabic and Indian Ocean and the attractive Western Ghat Mountains on the east. Its intense network of rivers and lagoons, thick forest, exotic wildlife and a long shoreline of beaches makes it a traveler's paradise. The rich cultural heritage and the essence of music are so impressive that the tourist will be spellbound by this magic feature of Kerala. The state has such wonderful and magnificent attractions beyond one's imagination. Moreover, every nook and corner in Kerala you will see Hindu temple, Muslim mosque and Christian churches. And unlike many other parts of India, people live happily without communal riots and great religious tolerance. Hence, it is God's own country, full of worship places. Thrissur is a city with forest, sea, river and waterfalls. Thrissur is well connected to all major towns in Kerala. Saktan Tampuram bus stand is just 1 kilometer away from town and the north bus stand is in the heart of the town. Thrissur railway station is an important railhead of the Southern Railway. There are a lot of facilities available inside the city for transportation. Cochin Airport is the nearest airport which is about 51 kilometers away from Thrissur. Airport also serves as an ideal destination.
Dedicated to Lord Shiva, the Vadakunnathan temple is the venue ground of the famous Thrissur Puram festival in Kerala. A visit to this temple during the Malayalam month of Midam is a must. It is the time for auspicious celebrations. Thirupalli and Vazhachal are amongst the most majestic waterfalls in Kerala.
Saktan Tampuram Palace, the once an official residence of the royal families of Thrissur. Kerala Kalamandalam is the premium public institution in India preserving the artistic heritage of Kerala. SICO Institute of Oceanic Studies Private Limited is an techno-commercial venture started in 2007 by a team of expert businessmen and engineers dedicated to the popularization and awareness creation of the knowledge related to ocean, marine and freshwater animals.
The dense tropical forests of Chimini are home to a plethora of rare flora and fauna. The dam provides a pictorial picnic location and is frequently visited by locals and foreigners alike.
Visit the Chetuva backwater at the confluence point of the Inamakal Lake and the almighty Arabian Sea. Witness the surreal beauty, experience the tranquility and enjoy the alluring charm of the backwater while on a Kerala trip to Thrissur. Chavakad Beach in Thrissur is famous for the Azimukam, the confluence of the river and sea. Visitors throng here to observe this delightful phenomenon. It is a great place to swim and relax in a serene environment. Visitors to this scenic city in Kerala can also opt for amazing family or holiday resorts during this Kerala visit. Thrissur offers many OYO facilities for the tourist. There are many accommodations available as per the budget of the tourist.
Starting from budget friendly to 5-star rated hotels, Thrissur offers stay options that can suit everyone's budget.
Kerala's rich and delicious cuisine is certainly one of Kerala's most sought after attractions. It is an amalgamation of culinary infusion from Hindu, Christian, and Muslim. Coconut, rice, and spices are essential components of many dishes. Since Kerala is in coastal state, seafood is widely available with plenty of tempting dishes. There are scrumptious vegetarian dishes too. If you are fond of sweets, then try the payasam. You may get all of these delicious dishes around the state at restaurants and small eateries or even in local homes. The city is also awake in night when you can enjoy the beautiful lighting of temples and church. There are many shopping malls and theaters where you can enjoy your night. It's not because of having a lot of temples or church in Kerala terms as God's own country. The behavior of people in Kerala and their lifestyle makes it an God's own country. Here's the story of Thrissur ends.